When you wake up each morning and you feel like calling, I'll be there for you. When the road seems uncertain and you can't stop the hurting, I'll be there for you. When there's no one beside you, I'll be there to guide you, catch you each time you fall. When the stars won't shine anymore, I'll be there.
Hello, my sister. Happy birthday. I love you so much. I hope you have more birthdays to come in your life. Enjoy your birthday. And I love you so much. Thank you, my dear sister. I love you. Okay. Babu.
Hi, Mern. Good morning in Canada. Happy birthday. I love you very much. I see you soon. Happy birthday. I love you. I hope you have a good health. Somebody waiting for you here. I love you so much.
Hello, Mern. Happy birthday. Welcome to Senior Citizens Club. Cheers to a fabulous 60 years. Wishing you a day full of love and joy, and you get what your heart's desire. Koya loves you very much. Happy birthday to you. I love you. Happy birthday again. Enjoy your day.
Hello, good afternoon. Nasa Canada dyan. Happy birthday pala sa kapatid ko, si Merna Tanutan. 60 years old birthday today. Good health and good bliss and more birthday. Enjoy kayo dyan lahat. Kamusta na lang kayo lahat dyan. See you soon!
Happy birthday, Mama Lamarna. I love you. I will bring you presents today.
Happy 68th birthday, Grandma. I wish you a good health, strength, and kind, and thank you for caring us. And I love you always.
Thank you for the sharing in our heart. We wish you were still really love and kindness of care and focusing of being our moms, and we appreciate that because you are so lovely and so beautiful on your 60th birthday. Thank you for making me dance Pearly Show because we love that so much. Thank you.
I love you.
I love you, Mama.
Hi everyone, happy 60th birthday Mami Myrna. Thank you for everything, May, sa pag-alaga nimo sa mua, sa support nimo, May, labaw na sa mga school, and na mga timing nga mumata pa juwag sa'yo para lang atimanon, May, og safe mi makato sa school, May. And sa care nimo, May, sa mga every single time, May, and na-appreciate na mo na, May. And May, I hope you stay happy and unta ma-enjoy nimo mong very special day, May. Bye-bye. Love you.
Hi, Mommy Gorgeous! Happy 60th birthday! Today we celebrate not just your birthday, but the beautiful heart that made us feel loved, accepted, and supported no matter what. Kasi hindi lahat nabibiyayaan ng isang ina na marunong tumanggap at magmahal ng walang kondisyon. Kaya sobrang swerte namin dahil ikaw ang naging mami namin. Maraming salamat, Mami, sa pagpapakita sa amin at ang tunay na pagmamahal ay walang panghusga, kundi ito ay puro pagtanggap, kabaitan at pagmamalasakit lamang. Again, happy 60th birthday, Mami Myrna! Stay healthy, huwag papaka-stress, at kung may problema, andyan si Lord para pakinggan tayo. And Mar and I loves you so much. See you soon, Mommy! Mwah!
Ate Berna, happy birthday po sa inyo. Basta enjoy nyo lang ang special na araw nyo. Keep safe and God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mami Myrna. Unta tagaan pa kag taas nga kinabuhi sa Ginoo, o grabe no, niabot siya kasi mong 60th birthday, o kaluyan gyud sa Ginoo, mas maabot pa jud og kanang daghang birthday sa imuhang kinabuhi, og kanang unta na happy ka sa imong birthday, Mami Myrna, og ayaw kalimti nga naa ang mga tao nga nagpalibot sa imuha nga panggaon ka.
Yes.
Padayon sa imong kayo, Mami Myrna. Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey, Mami Myrna! Good morning diri sa amoa. Murag Bisaya man ni or Tagalog pasensya na kay grabe gyud ka kuan. Grabe ang ako ang kahagardo versus sa bitaw, Mami Myrna. Today is your day. Happy birthday, Mami Myrna, and of course wish na ako sa imo is more birthdays to come, and more blessings sa tibuok pamilya, good health, and more birthday, anak. So daghang kayong salamat sa support sa amo, sa ako, sa akong family, sa amo duha ni Caleb. Salamat kaayo, and once again, happy birthday, enjoy your day, and God bless you, Mami Myrna, sa tibuok nimong pamilya.
Hello! Hey! Alam nyo ba, meron akong nabalitaan. Today ay birthday daw ng ating beshi na si Ma'am Myrna, all the way from Canada. At syempre babatiin ko kayo ng happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Ma'am Myrna. I wish you all the best, and may God bless you always together with your family. Daghan kayong salamat for always supporting Inday Karya and tuning in to our vlogs. Ayan, lagi daw po kayong nagkakarya, Nobella, according to your daughter. So say happy birthday! What do you say? Happy birthday!